Guys, KTM rebuilt my engine. Not my engine, but my bike's engine. So here's the update from my previous video. As you guys know, my bike had a major issue with engine oil draining only after riding for 2000 kilometers. After almost 2 weeks, I finally got the call to collect my bike. I was constantly in touch with the service team, especially their store manager, Divakar Reddy. He was genuinely very helpful. He took time to explain what went wrong, what parts were replaced, and what I should expect going forward. So the service team has rebuilt the engine. They've replaced the bore and piston, which basically means this is almost like a new engine now. According to the service manager, the issue was that the engine oil was burning excessively and they suspect it was due to defects in these internal parts. They couldn't give me an exact reason, but this was the solution after inspection. Now, because of this rebuild, I've been asked to break in the engine again. So, for the next 1000 kilometers, I need to ride carefully. No high revs, no aggressive riding, just smooth and steady. Honestly, it's a bit frustrating to go through this on a bike like the KTM Adventure 390, but at the same time, I'm just relieved that they didn't just top up the oil and send me off. They actually opened the engine and fixed it. Well, the good thing is this entire replacement was covered under warranty. I wasn't charged for the engine work or parts. The only thing I paid was for the new engine oil, and I'm just putting the bill here for your reference. You can pause and look at it. Honestly, at this point, I was feeling pretty good, but there was another unexpected moment. I just took the bike from the center. I just rode a few meters, and then suddenly the gear lever detached. Hey guys, so quick update. I just took the bike from the service center, and look at this. What? The gear indicator just broke. My god. Did not expect this. Okay, so I just somehow fixed it. It's just this bolt was loose, so it came off. Now I don't know what else to do. So I had to bring back the bike immediately to get it fixed. This was definitely disappointing, especially after such a major repair. But at that moment, there wasn't really another option. So they fixed it and the bike is back with me again. So for now, I'm just hoping this resolves the issue completely. I'll be riding carefully. I'll be monitoring the oil levels closely. And I'll definitely share a long-term update after completing the run-in period. But for now, thank you for watching. And as always, ride safe. This is Motard Amigo signing off. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye now.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million.